Two people arrested on drug charges in Canaan yesterday. Police say the investigation was originally for a stolen chainsaw, but it turned into a major drug bust. Authorities say they found meth, cocaine, and a substantial amount of fentanyl in a home. 24-year-old Garrett Cody is facing multiple charges that include receiving stolen property and aggravated trafficking of cocaine. 19-year-old Riley Spofford also facing multiple charges that include aggravated trafficking of fentanyl and unlawful possession of meth. Both are being held at Somerset County Jail.